This is Julia reporting to you live from Malloy Toyota with this new 2019 TRD Pro truck CrewMax 4x4. The color is Voodoo Blue. Some features include a navigation system, dynamic cruise control, power moonroof, rear view camera, lane departure, and leather seats, as well as Bluetooth and auto high beam headlights. To help you feel safe and secure, it's also equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, traction control, brake assist, and panic alarm. Please come on down to Malloy Toyota here in Winchester, Virginia to make it Malloy. Thank you.